Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the Poco F3 GT device. So should you actually apply for the replacement or not in case if you're facing this kind of issues? So this is the question, friends. I'm getting plenty of comments asking me on this kind of particular topic. So should they replace or not? Because the replacement policy is very strict, only due to the very limit of time. So you should decide very fast whether you should apply for the replacement or not. But in this video, I'll try to explain you. In case if you're facing this kind of issues, I'll try to say each and every detail clearly, friends. So let's see. First issue is with the screen bleeding issue. So few of the subscribers that did send me the screenshot to this email ID which I have written. As you can see in the about info, it is available, and few of them they did send me the screenshot exactly what is happening with the problem. Let me try to show you what is the problem happened. As you can see, these are the screenshot which they did send me saying that they are experiencing this kind of issues in the Poco F3 GT. So I would say try to restart the phone, try to restart the device and try to check it. The problem will be get solved. Yes, absolutely. So that is what a lot of users also recommended me, and I did do the restart test and the problem got solved in my unit. I'll try to make separate video, but just a small video just to demonstrate what is happening with this. Should you replace for this kind of problem or not? I don't think for the screen bleeding you should replace or you should return your device. That should not be an issue, because even few of the subscribers they did message in the Poco care, they did contact to the Poco team, and then they did say to factory reset the phone and then check with the problem. And the problem, if the problem is not solved, then they will be replacing the unit. So try to do two things. So try to restart the phone. If the problem is not solved, try to do the factory reset. Still, if the problem is not solved in the screen bleeding, so try to then apply for the replacement. These images I did not get from one or two users. I did get from so many users. They are actually sending me to the email address which I did mention. So that is the usefulness of that email address, friends. Try to send me the screenshot. Definitely I'll try to address. As you can see, all this kind of screen bleeding issues. So try to do the restart the phone and the problem will get solved in the Poco F3 GT. So you should not be worried about those things at all. And next thing is about this kind of loose button issue which is going on. And few of the users did mention that they're facing all the issues whatever I mentioned in the videos. As you can see, they're facing all the issues whatever I mentioned. It did attach all the screenshots. So regarding these loose buttons, I'm not sure, maybe because of this few units all only facing this kind of issues. I did see not all the people are facing this kind of issues. So the loose button issue can happen with the top button, this one. Yes, exactly, not with the bottom one. This the top one is the one which is kind of really loose, little bit, not much, just a little bit. So whenever I'm trying to hold the phone like this, in this manner to use, so every time I touch it, I can actually feel that kind of sound without even like pressing. You don't need to even press, just touch it. Just touch this button and try to touch this bottom button. You will be able to see the difference. That's the one which I thought of mentioning to a lot of other users. So maybe for this reason, you might be able to apply for the replacement, because this physical damage, we can definitely consider this kind of loose buttons. That's the one thing. So it's not, the bottom one is okay, that's fine, but only the top one. So for this reason, maybe you can apply for the replacement. And next is a light leak issue. So light leak issue is not happening only in this black color, not only in this one, even in the silver color also it's happening, the light leak issue. And these are the screenshot which I received after posting the video. As soon as I post the video, and I did ask the users to send me the screenshots, and I did receive so many emails sending me this kind of problems. As you can see, friends, the light has been leaking something reflection. As you can see, I don't know, it's not I'm not trying to make this issue as a big issue. I'm just trying to explain what is the actual problem the Poco F3 GT is facing. I'm not trying to highlight, I'm just trying to show the problem. That's it. It's up to user to take it, whether it's a big issue or the small issue. That's what my point is. I'm not saying it's a small issue, I'm not saying it's a big issue. I'm just showing the issues. There's a difference between saying big issue and there's a difference between showing the issues. I'm just trying to convey the message to the users. As you can see, friends, these are some small reflections which I'm trying to get in the. So it doesn't matter what color you select, both colors they are having this kind of issues in their units. That's what I can definitely confirm. So maybe even if you apply for the replacement for the light leak, even the next phone, whatever your phone receive, may be having this kind of light leak. I'm not sure. That's the one thing. But loose buttons may be problem get solved, because few of the users only they did mention the loose buttons they are experiencing, not all of them. So maybe this issue might get solved. This issue also will get solved if you restart the phone. So these two are okay, but this issue will be mostly repeated in most of the users, and it's up to the users to decide whether you are okay with it or not okay with it. So that's up to you to decide, friends. No, I'm not going to judge and I'm not going to argue on this particular topic. So it's up to you to decide. So in case if you're facing this kind of any other new problems, let me know in the email. As you can see, try to submit the emails, friends, because we need the proof. We need the proof to show the team. That is the reason I'm trying to show the email, and I'm trying to ask you to send all this kind of screenshots, because all this kind of screenshots and all these videos I'm not making for the views. I'm not making because most of the people, they are actually saving their money to buy their first gaming phone or to buy their first premium phone. That is what the problem is, because if you're paying that much of huge amount of money, you should get not perfect. I do know no phone is perfect at this point. No phone is perfect, but not like this. And that is what my point is. But still, let's see what is going to happen in this kind of light leak issue. How many users are actually facing? So as soon as I started to post the video, I did receive plenty of users. Maximum number of users are repeating that same thing. They are facing this kind of issues. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And these two issues should be kind of minor. I mean, they are kind of fixable and solvable problems. These two, mainly this one, try to restart, try to do factory reset. The screen bleeding, you may not be able to see it. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to send the email if you are facing any kind of issues, not only with this phone, maybe with any other phone, whatever I'm having. So definitely try to send the screenshots and try to write the subject name as what phone model. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends, and that's it. Bye.